leaky again. She stopped running. If you can tell, that's the intake. And you can see it's full of fluid. I was turning over the engine. If you can tell, look at that. Oh my God. You're doing a head job and you can see why. Just ridiculous. That's why she won't turn over no more. Hope I can save them. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? It's Bill again. Day 2 on the F-150. So today I drained the oil pan, and believe it or not, this is how much radiator fluid came out of the actual oil pan. And I still had some oil, but this was actually right next to the actual plug. So this came out first. It wasn't mixed, but it was separated. So if there was any question of whether or not those head gaskets were wrong, I do believe that was the answer. I don't believe that the intake gasket is the main culprit. It probably contributed, but I don't believe that it's the main culprit. I believe both of them are actually failing, and that's why we get all of this fluid in there. I haven't had that much fluid in there, period, before. I had it mixed once before when I did the timing change. That's because of that intake. It was milky at that point, but it wasn't to this degree, and it wasn't separated. Well, I actually used water at that point because I still felt like I had some leaks. But this is where I'm at, getting ready to take off the timing cover. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Bill. Just want to come in and give a quick note. I'm sorry I didn't film everything. It was just a stressful time trying to prepare this truck this week. I took more time than I needed. I took more time than I had, and it's very eye-awakening, I should say, about what the process is and how much time that it actually takes to do it correctly, because at this point you're totally committed and you really can't cheap out on the actual steps and process. So, you know, I wanted to focus on this. This was the first time I was doing it, so I was actually learning as I was going, and I wanted to focus on that. So I really didn't film a lot, but I filmed as much as I could without stressing myself, and I took a lot of pictures. So if you notice, I have a little bit of still shots as well as film and clips and whatnot. But I do thank you guys for watching this far and continue to watch. And we will have a recap of our final test of the vehicle and what we think and the problems that we do have. Thanks again. What's up? This is Bill with We Cut Grass. Still out here on the grind, doing my thing with this repair on my engine. Come to find out, the overheating definitely was the water pump. I can't explain why I took so long to remove this. I waited till the end of my repair. If I probably would have saw this in the beginning, maybe so, I probably could have cut my repair time in half, but there still was a lot of other issues with my truck. I'm kind of glad I did address them. But this is a good lesson on definitely diagnose first before you start throwing parts at it. Could save yourself money and time. One love.